Hello family, I am ByteFierce. Today is April 4th, 2024, and the internet has discovered another interesting project. It's on the Solana blockchain, where you can mine Erbium coin via computer. ORB has already been listed, and today it's surged to more than 2,000 United States dollars each, with immense popularity. Now you only need a computer. Whether it's a Windows, Linux, or Apple system, you can participate in mining this coin. Today, I'll show you step by step how to participate in mining this coin. First off, we head to the official website to check out this Solana blockchain mining page. It uses a novel mining protocol designed for fair token distribution, ensuring that any miner can receive rewards. Next, I'll show you how to mine ORAB. This be on Windows, Linux. You can mine on either Linux or Apple systems, but Linux has the best compatibility, so I'm demonstrating with Linux's Ubuntu system. If you're using a Windows computer, it's recommended to install the WSL Linux subsystem before mining. If you don't know how to install the WSL subsystem on Windows, you can revisit my previous video tutorial on how to install the Ubuntu Linux subsystem with WSL on Windows. This tutorial has detailed steps on how to install the WSL subsystem on Windows. If you've set up the WSL Ubuntu subsystem, or already have an Open2 system, you can participate in mining. First, we need to prepare a Solana blockchain RPC node. Public nodes have access restrictions, so they can't be used for mining this coin. Here's a perk for everyone, teaching you how to get a private Solana chain remote procedure call node for free. We have come to the Swift2 website. This website was also shared by one of the big shots in our VIP member group yesterday. Many VIP members have successfully used this website to apply for their own Solana blockchain RPC machines. Started mining yesterday, got a piece of the Aura mining action. To allow everyone in the family to participate in this project, I put together this tutorial overnight to share with you all. However, creating tutorials and editing videos takes a lot of time, so it's released a day later than the VIP group. Please understand. First, we go to this website, click on the Get APT button at the top right corner, and enter our email address in the pop-up registration interface. Select the same site protocol, then click on Google's verification. Once verified, click the Continue button, and then a prompt will appear, informing you of your phone number. Need to verify login via our email. We arrive at the email, open the mail sent from the Swift2 website, click the Login button, then the Genesis blog button. Here, some personal information needs to be filled out. If you don't want to fill it out, just hit the Skip button to bypass. Then, the website will automatically generate a Solana chain RPC address for you. Make sure to save this address for later use in mining. This remote procedure call node has a point limit, up to 500,000 points at most. I tried and dug for a day, only using a few tens of thousands of points. So, mining with this node for a few days is no problem. If you run out of credits, you can apply for a new RPC node with a new email and continue using it. If your RPC application is ready, you can move on to the next step, setting up a mining environment. I have as always prepared a mining tutorial for you. If your RPC application is ready, you can move on to the next step, setting up a mining environment. You can join our BitCult People's Telegram group to get the group link for free. I've put it below the video. All you need to do is send OR, spell out these few letters in the group. The group robot will automatically pop up an ORB mining script, which is very convenient. I'm demonstrating with the Open2 system here. You could also use Windows WSL subsystem or an Apple system. The steps are pretty much the same. Next, we'll proceed to step 2, setting up the REST environment. Just hit Enter to install. Once the REST environment is set up, we move to the third step, installing the Solana blockchain development environment. After installation, here it advises us to add Solana's program to the system environment variables. Let's open the Bioshock file in the Open2 system with the Vim program. Enter the lowercase letter I to open edit mode, then add this sentence to the end of the text. After adding, press the ESC key to exit edit mode, then type a colon, followed by lowercase wq to save and exit. After configuring the environment variables, we need to reopen an Open2 client, and then execute the wallet creation command. This will generate your Solana wallet address and private key. Make sure to keep this private key safe. After creating your wallet, move on to step 5, installing the cargo program. If your system already has it installed, you can skip this step. After Target is installed, you can proceed to step 6 to install the client or customer. Installing this client will take a few minutes, so you can make yourself a cup of tea or coffee and relax.
A few minutes later.
Once you've installed the org client, we can officially start mining. Here, I've prepared a mining script for you. Just need to change your RPC node. This node corresponds to the one we generated previously on the Chef website, and below is the directory for the wallet files. If you're using the default value generated from the previous command, then proceed with DSC. If you want to be both strong and fast, you can increase it a bit. The final part is about the limit multiplier, which is odd because no matter what the limit multiplier is set to, the computer will have a limit multiplier. Due to time constraints, I haven't had the chance to delve deeply into this. Those interested can try setting different existing numbers to see for themselves. After setting up the mining command, we directly enter to run. The error of insufficient balance reported here is because it's necessary to top up our mining wallet with a bit of SOB as decent money. You can withdraw coins to this mining address from an exchange or your own wallet. After recharging, let's run the mining command to start mining successfully. After mining for a while, if you want to know how much currency you've mined, you can use this command to check. After entering it, you can see the amount you've mined. Alright, today's occasional tutorial on snatching the first mine ends here. Welcome family members to like and subscribe to the BitHunters YouTube channel and join our Telegram group. Your support and recognition is the only motivation for me to create tirelessly.
Stay tuned for the latest updates.
I will share with family members as soon as possible. Thank you all for your support. Finally, everyone is welcome to join our VIP membership group. Keep up with the latest in mining and currency news with a membership fee of 100 USDT per year. Membership benefits include several key areas. The first is an email alert for mining information. VIP members don't need to constantly keep an eye on group messages or search for new coin information. Just turn on the email auto alert feature on your phone, and you'll receive the latest BitHunters headframes and Taiwan dollar updates right away, alerting the miners. Making mining investments becomes an easy and natural thing. No need to worry about missing out on mining a certain coin, and then regret it deeply. Second, it's about hands-on guidance for mining the first block. In many cases, even if you know the mining information, you might miss out on high profits due to not knowing how to use a wallet, how to set up mining software, and other issues. Watching others make a fortune while feeling helpless. So, when the opportunity to mine arises, BitHunter will immediately compile the wallet and mining software, set up the wallet syncing scripts, and provide a brief guide to mining, letting you get a taste of the prime cuts the earliest. Being the first to jump in is all about speed, which is why BitHunter makes you faster than anyone else, winning at the starting line of mining. Third, offering tutorials on petting cats and airdropping, and it encourages members to interact with cats daily. History has shown that Web3 applications will give users a large amount of empty promises to boost their popularity. The most important thing about airspace investment isn't the amount of funds. Instead of giving up, the BitHunter often reminds members to interact with various projects to ensure that members don't miss any opportunity that could potentially make them rich overnight. Fourth, it provides you with a BitHunter's Treasure Box website. This place gathers all the recent mining information, various mining tool downloads, as well as various scripts and tools meticulously developed by Bitcoin people to increase mining profits. Becoming a great helper in your mining venture